Good morning from Bear Lake. We did have an amazing view. Here's Kylo out here enjoying his views. A bunch of puppies walking by. And this big, I don't know, Class A pulled in last night. But we had an amazing view most of the day, so we can't complain. Today is definitely the day to be at the beach.
I have a question.
Okay.
Is that mold right there? Right on the inside, that little fuzzy.
Probably.
Dang!
I wouldn't use it.
Come on.
We love the green chilies. We bought those way back in New Mexico.
Yeah.
They've been great, right?
They have been great. And
What's
I guess
going
they're
on
going
up here?
Going down.
Ooh.
I've busted your yolk again, and
Dang
I'm
it.
just gonna have to eat this one for you because it's too cooked.
Okay.
My gosh, why can't I just do one thing today? It's okay. We're gonna have some little breakfast tacos on these little egg white wraps before those go bad as well. So, do you want some salsa on it?
Sure.
Okay.
Sounds good to
I
me.
love potatoes.
Kylo, what do you think about it, buddy?
You ready to go to see some waterfalls, Kylo?
We're leaving Bear Lake today. Just want to bring you guys along. Bridget's gonna make us some cafe,
Yes.
aka coffee.
Typical day in van life today.
Yeah.
That's what this video will be
What do you
about.
got there? This is our favorite.
Cameron's.
Organic.
Thanks, babe.
Today is just gonna be us getting ready to leave here, and we're gonna head to
Planet Fitness.
Planet Fitness. That's right. We haven't worked out in a little bit, but get a little workout on. We're actually heading to Idaho. So this morning I'm just going to be dumping everything, the gray tanks, our black tank, and filling up our water. So I'll bring you along for some of that.
Oh my gosh, it's filled to the top.
Really?
Like to the top, babe.
Oopsie. I did do dishes last night and didn't check
This
it.
is where our gray tank is. This holds about 5 gallons of sink water. Oof.
Sorry.
It's really gross. And it's full. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it out. Deadlift. Ugh. Oh, gosh.
Wowzers. This is not how I normally do this, but I'm having to switch it up a little bit. That's what I got. This is our little filter.
right, buddy. Let's load up.
Welcome back, Dean.
Thank you, Mercedes. All right, baby, you ready to hit the road?
I'm ready.
Here we go. Where are we heading?
Twin Falls, baby.
Let's go. Hey, Kyle. Quick little rest stop in Idaho.
Yeah, leftover chili for lunch.
I'll heat up some chili. Kyla's having a little drinky drink. And
Hoping the microwave works.
sometimes it wants to do what it wants to do. It's actually not plugged in right now, so
Okay.
might want to plug it in before you attempt it. The chili turned out good last night though, huh?
So good. I'm just gonna give you all this, okay? Is that too much? That's plenty. It's our pre-workout.
We're heading to Planet Fitness. Been a while since we've been to the gym, so we need to get a little workout in today. And yeah.
Let's see if this works. Doubt it. All right, so
Show them what we have to do.
there's a special way. You have to make sure the door's shut, and then you
It's a little
plug it
janky.
in,
Okay.
open it.
Putting the whole thing in there?
I am.
Okay.
That's for you.
Oh.
I think a minute and a half will be okay. Do you?
We'll see.
It worked.
It worked. So
Hallelujah.
we're gonna have a little lunch and get back on the road. See y'all in a little bit.
We just finished at Planet Fitness, took a shower, headed to get groceries. Man, does it feel good. So they didn't have everything we needed at Target, so we're headed to a grocery store that we've never heard of before called, what is this called? Winn-Dixie. I'm just kidding.
Winco?
Winco.
Winco Foods.
Winco Foods. If you guys have ever been here, we're not
It's a little
sure
different.
if this is like a discount store and we need a membership or something.
No, it isn't.
There's a lot of stuff in bulk, and it just looks a little different.
Hello, we're leaving the grocery store. We use iOverlander to find dispersed camping, and we found a spot that is about half an hour away. It is a busy holiday weekend, so we're hoping that the spot that I have picked out is available. So I guess we'll see. Dude, I'm about to get smacked by somebody over here. So stay tuned.
Stay tuned. We're gonna have a little snack because we did that workout and it was so good. But now we're hungry, and now we have 30 minutes. Dean is outside changing the tires. I don't know what it's called. I'll have him explain it, but we are on a dirt road, and so it's something to do with the shocks, maybe? So that it can handle like the bumps better on the road, and then when we're on the highway, we put them on something else. Can you explain what you just did? Because I forgot
I
what
just
they're-
adjusted the shocks
Yes.
to be a little bit softer. Because we have shocks that allow us to go from highway to off-road pretty quickly. So
All right,
yeah.
let's check out this road. This road looks a little crazy. Oh, there's some big ruts, baby. Oh, shoot. Big holes. Oh. What do you think?
All right, we officially found camp for the night. It's a little late, later than we normally like to come out. It's like 6:15. Normally we like to come out and be settled and in our place like 4:30, 5 o'clock at the latest. But Bridget has a grocery haul. I think she's going to be showing.
Yes, salads, stir-fry veggies, avocado, bananas. Tonight,
We had to go to 2 different places.
their Target wasn't very good here. They
Target,
didn't have a
so
produce area. Got some avocado.
yeah.
I love these gluten-free nugs.
Nice.
Going in the freezer.
What are we doing tonight?
I think we're doing. Where are they at? Here they are. We're gonna do these. Spicy mango with jalapeno.
Yummy.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
We're doing that, and we're just gonna do some chips and some
Something simple. We're ready to chill.
505 green chili because we're
What do you think about it?
Kylo?
A lot of rocks out here. This is called Cauldron Lynn. Place that we're in Idaho. Definitely beautiful. Lots of rocky terrain. There's actually some spots down here that we were going to attempt to try to get to. You can see that there's some people camping right on the water. That's so beautiful. Not 100% sure how we get down to that because we're on top of this ridge. But pretty cool spots down there. So we may try that tomorrow if we can figure out how to get down there, if those folks leave. But this is the Snake River. And yeah, it's just beautiful. So there's Dusty.
We're gonna call it a night. It's our first night in Idaho. Check out the Snake River back here.
So cool.
So beautiful.
We're super excited to explore this state. Tomorrow will be our first full official day in Idaho.
Yep.
We just got here today.
Kylo's tangled up.
Found a free deal in sight. And tomorrow, if we don't find something else, we're gonna go down there.
Yeah, we're gonna try to get a spot down here where
Yeah.
these guys are tomorrow night.
Goodness, boy.
Kylo's struggling over here.
What? Something weird here?
We'll see you guys in the morning. We're gonna go find some waterfalls.
Good morning. Gonna have a little oatmeal. Bridget is grabbing some things out of the back. Kylo is chilling. We're gonna go on some trails today, but we are at Shoshone Falls. We are gonna do some trails down here. Check out the waterfalls. Yeah. Here we feel the breeze, the mist. So cool. So pretty. Beautiful day.
Beautiful
Yes,
day.
tell us what we're
Okay.
doing.
We're at Shoshone Falls,
Hang on. Kylo's pulling me.
and we're in Twin Falls, Idaho. And it's often called the Niagara of the West. It is a natural waterfall on the Snake River. It's about 3 miles northeast of Twin Falls, and it was formed over 14,000 years ago during massive flooding at the end of the Ice Age. It's a historic fishing and trading site. European explorers first discovered it in the 1840s. Yeah, that's a little history lesson from about the falls over here.
What we just saw.
We're gonna go show y'all a different view. This park is so pretty. There's like a little bike path back there. It is such a beautiful park. We're gonna head back to the van and go over to the lake to do some hiking.
Ready.
You're not pooping no
Well,
more.
we just ran into another dog on the trail that was not on leash, but
So sweet.
thankfully a sweet little chocolate lab, and she was really sweet. Kyla's still being his own grumpy self, but we prefer to keep him on his leash. Had to explain to that owner he's got some PTSD from some bad dog experiences, but you know, he did good. Take a quick little water break for Kylo. You thirsty, bud? And Mama.
Mamacita.
But look at this. It's kind of cool. Little area you can go into. Hopefully there's no bats in here.
Did you put his poop in this? Oh. His poop in the same bag.
No. Thirsty, Bubba? We bring his little bowl, a portable bowl, so he can get water. Big horse likes to drink a lot of water. Bridget's a little bit worried about
Put
me.
it on the edge.
No, honey. What do you think so far?
Beautiful. I love it.
What do you think that water temperature is?
32.
There's people fishing right there. Kylo, can you do it, buddy? I believe in you. Let's see how he does.
Hold on, wait, stop. Right here.
He's always been unsure about stairs, but he's getting better. Hi.
Feels so good up here.
Oh, you're always worried, huh? Mommy's fine. Kylo's so worried. We did it, Kylo. We did the lake trail. Here's your cute mama.
Mama's tired, thirsty.
Almost time for some lunch.
Yep.
Here you go. Speaking of Dusty,
Ooh.
some of those back roads, man, Dusty got dusty.
They're all up in my road.
Yep. But
Beautiful day.
what'd you think about the trail?
I thought it was really fun. It was perfect because it was just like, you know, a little over 2 miles. It was climbing, going down lakes. I got to touch some water.
Yeah. The
Freezing
interesting
cold.
part is there's a few little like off trails you can take to little smaller lakes and things like that. So we didn't even do all the cool little lakes, but Bridget got to put her hands in the water, and I don't know what kind of fish there are, but it looked like a lot of people fishing.
Yeah.
And it is holiday weekend, so.
Yeah, that's going to be a wrap for this video. We're going to go in and make some lunch, run by Costco maybe, and get something fun for Memorial Day to cook tomorrow. And thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, all the things you want to do or don't want to do. Just sorry about the toilet paper on the counter, and we love you guys.
Yep, we'll see y'all later.
Bye.